everybody, it's Irene with BrainStormAcres, and this morning I am going to plant another bean bed. I'll have Henry post a picture of this bed. You've seen it before in the past. It's the old rhubarb bed, and in the last couple of days I managed to get it cleared out the rest of the way and added a bunch of compost. This morning I'm going to finish straightening it out. I may add another bag of compost to it, mix it all up, fertilize it a bit, and then get another batch of beans planted. The last batch of beans I planted were Carson, which is yellow wax, and today I'm going to do Provider, which is a green. So, here we are. Provider. I'm all out of my favorite veggie food, so I'm going to use Job's Organics, which is also another good variety. But I'm waiting for a check to buy some more of the other stuff. You know how that is. So let's get going. Now here's the bed I'm going to be working in. Let me show you what I pulled out of there yesterday. Avalanche. Earthquake, yeah. Okay. This is a nice little pile of onions, and these are parsnips. The parsnips were mostly past their best if used by date. The carrots have already gone into the house and have been refrigerated. I got probably a dozen carrots out of the deal, but they all came out of this end of the bed here, and it was time to move on. So I'm going to straighten this bed out now and get going.